Recently, I have purchased made quite a few purchases online. Other than bags, I also bought some new outfit, and this one is a pair of boots from Converse. Let's open it up and see. So it does have another box inside. Let's take it out. So this is a pair of boots from Converse. It's called Crafted Boot Chuck Taylor in chocolate light fawn color with the black sole at the bottom. I believe it's a treated leather. It's supposed to be water resistant, I believe. Looking at the texture, almost feel like vegan leather, but I remember reading about their material, so I'm pretty sure it was leather. So it's probably they had some kind of coating to make it weather resistant. I like this color, and I think it's going to fit well with a lot of earth tone outfit I have purchased lately.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care